Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. So in today's video, you guys, I am super duper excited. Okay, it's a huge Amazon haul. I don't know if you guys can see, but so behind all of this is a huge haul. I did go overboard with the shopping, but guys, I got those things that are very much needed for me as of right now. I know it's a little bit of echoey in here, but I'm really sorry because new place, so that's the reason it's kind of echoing. I know this video is going to be a little longer because I have so much of stuff. I was eyeing on all of these products, and ever since I decided to move to this place, I have been ordering so much. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. I got a very few essentials, I think 2 or 3 of them, so I'm just gonna show them first so it'll be done with. So yeah, this is the Treseme's heat protectant spray, and this is how it looks like. Guys, I've heard so many things about this heat protectant spray in particular, and this is the first time ever I have bought it. And they had, I think, 20% or 10% offer on Amazon, wherein Nykaa and I don't know where else, but I saw on Nykaa there was no offer at all. So that's the reason I got it on Amazon, and it's not as good as my Tony and Guys heat protectant spray, which is not available anywhere now. I don't know why. I've used it, I think, 3 times now, and I like it. Okay, it's a decent product. I like it. So the second product I got is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Now this one, again, this is like waterproof mascara. You guys know how much I love this mascara. I just can't do without it, you guys. It's the best drugstore mascara out there in the market as of now. So yeah, I really like it, and this was just like a backup. So that's the second item that I got. The next product I got is this one. It's called as a Derma Suction. It's kind of like a kind of like a blackhead removal or a dead skin removal kind of a thing. So I saw this on I think Mansi Mao's channel on one of her videos, and I really like this product. So I suffer with I have a lot of blackheads, you guys, and I always go for cleanups every month or 2 months once. And because of the lockdown, I have not had any cleanup done since I think it's been 6 months already. And I very much want to get a cleanup done, but I'm really scared to go and get it done right now. So yeah, and this was something that was really kind of affordable, but also I felt really nice, like it just removes all the gunk, and it's something very new that I have not used, and that's the reason I went ahead and bought it. So I still haven't used it, not tried it even once. So I don't know how well this performs, but I'm gonna give you like a review or something on my Instagram. So yeah, looking forward to try this one. Okay guys, and the last beauty product that I got, actually I don't know where I've kept it. I searched the entire room, but I'm not getting it anywhere. So anyways, I'm just gonna pop the picture on the screen. So these are the set of hair clips that I got from Amazon. I think it's really nice when for you to hold your curls or something, to style your hair and everything. I think this works out really well, and the quality is quite good. Actually, I like the quality of it as well. So yeah, just for 295 rupees, I think it's really nice, you guys. So yeah, I got that. Now let's go to the more interesting part, which is the organization that I got, like acrylics organizations that I got from Amazon. So let's get started. So I have to share this small thing with you guys. Now I did buy a few of the acrylics from an Instagram store. The handle name, I'm just gonna flash it right over here. I was eyeing on this acrylic from a very long time. So yeah, I did go ahead and place like a bunch of items on this account. But let me tell you one thing, I was a little disappointed with this purchase. One, because I got one of the pieces broken, and I don't like to keep anything broken, because acrylic is kind of like glass. Anyone might get hurt from that. So I was a little bummed, and even if I wanted to like send it back, I had to go to the courier office myself and pay for the shipping extra. So I just felt like, oh my god, it is not worth it. And not only that, you guys, after I placed my order, I think after 2 or 3 days, I saw the same exact things were available on Amazon for much cheaper prices, and I was like so mad at myself, because I thought I was saving a lot of money, but in turn it actually I spent a lot more money. I don't know if I sound a little rude, but I'm really sorry. if at all this person is watching my video. I'm really sorry, but yeah, I was really upset about this. Very first item that I got from this Instagram page, which is also available on Amazon as well. So that's the reason I've included in this haul. I'm just gonna show you like a footage of how it looks like and everything. But yeah, this is what do you say, like an acrylic tray. It will just like amp up your like your glam station, your makeup station so well. So yeah, I was really excited about this product in the first place. So actually I paid 2,600 for this, but on Amazon it is available for 2,000 rupees, which I'm like, I could have got on Amazon itself. In place so much of makeup, skincare, all of that essentials, everyday essentials as well. It is so nice. It looks really good on your vanity, and it also rotates, so that is really cool and nice. But I don't think this is like the best quality. The quality is okay. It is kind of average, I would say, because I have other organizers that are like really thick. It goes so well back there. So yeah, I really like that. So the next things I got from this again from the same Instagram store are these lipstick holders. So this is the lipstick holder, you guys. As you guys can see, you can place all of your lipstick. It just stands like this on your vanity. Looks really cool and nice. Now the one thing is, I don't know if you guys can see, but this one came broken. I think you guys can see here. Look at that, it came broken. The quality is really good. I think the packaging was not done properly, because acrylics need to be packed in a very good way because they can easily break. Yeah, these are the two lipstick organizers, lipstick holders, and they look so cool with your lipstick like displayed. I just love it, and I'm looking forward to like actually placing some really cool high-end lipsticks in this. It just looks really nice. So each costed me 1,250 rupees, and on Amazon it is available for 800 rupees. I mean, that is what I was talking about. When I saw the price, I was like, oh my god, like why did I buy it on Amazon? So that was like my first thing. Kind of pissed and sad and all of that. But it's okay, shit happens. You can't do anything, you just gotta deal with it. So the third item that I got is still, I've kept it in the box. So is this organizer. When I saw the pictures online, I thought this would be like a little bigger, like might be till here, up till here, and a little thicker. But this is really small, and I have so many. I have like a ton of makeup brushes, and I don't think it will fit in here. So I have to put something else. I'm thinking now to put some lip liners or something. So that's all I got from this store. And again, this was for 1,000 rupees. I really like the quality. The quality is really amazing. So yeah, I'll give that a pass. But anyways, that is everything that I got from this Instagram store, except for the last thing that I showed you. Except for that, everything else is available on Amazon for much lesser price. So I'm gonna link all of those in the description box down below, so you guys can go check them out. Okay, so guys, coming to Amazon, the things that I got from Amazon. The first acrylic organizer I got is this eyeshadow organizer. It's a really good quality again, and for 1,200 it's a really nice like holder. It's strong and it's very sturdy, and you also get these, what do you say, like you can also remove these. These are removable, so if you have any bigger palettes, thicker palettes, you can totally remove any of these, adjust according to your wish, and you can just store so much in here. The other day I had stored my eyeshadow palettes, and I could fit in so much, so many palettes. So that's the reason I absolutely love this. I highly recommend, in case you guys have anything, eyeshadow palettes, or even like you can put your single compact powders, blushes, bronzers, anything that you want. It is so good. But I definitely will be putting my eyeshadow palettes because I have a ton of them, and I am in a serious need for some organization, as I already mentioned. So the next one that I got is in this thermocol, wrapping, because again, as I said, oh my god. So as I said, acrylic is really like delicate, so you have to be really careful, or else it can easily break. But it just looks so cute on your vanity, so that's the reason I got them. And it just like amps up your makeup game. I'm not even kidding you, like your anything, like your organization. It just makes it look like 1,000 times better. So guys, again, it's put in a cover. It's very well sent. It's from this brand called as Susan something. And actually on this brand itself, as I showed you, the ones that are available on the Instagram page, they have all of these available as well. And I really like the quality of this one. This one is a hexagon shaped, makeup brush holder, and you also get these this packet of white pearls. So it looks really nice. You just gotta cut it and put it, and keep your makeup brushes. Your brushes will also be sturdy and they'll be upright instead of falling here and there. And it just looks very pretty on your vanity as well. So I really like this, and the quality also is so good. It's actually amazing. So I got two of these. One is shaped in square and this one is shaped in hexagon. I got two of these same hexagon shaped. I did not get the square one because I just felt like this was a lot more cuter. Okay guys, so the next one that I have is actually not an organization or anything. It's a projection lamp. Basically at night you can just keep it in your room or anywhere, and you get all of these stars and everything, and it just makes your room look really nice and aesthetic. I don't know, I just felt good. And when I saw this on Amazon, I was like, oh my god, I really need it. And this is the box. So this is how it looks, and it comes with this cap. As you guys can see, it has like all these stars and everything, and they're like there's also color settings different. You get different colors, and you can go, and there are like 3 settings. As you guys can see, there's A, B and C. And also guys, you get this point. Also they have given this wire. The wire is not that long, it's quite small. As you guys can see, it's only like this long. You can use this in a switchboard if your switch is like nearby, but if not, then of course you have another option as well. They've also given like battery option, so you have to put in 4 small batteries, so you can also do that. So yeah, it's really pretty and I really like it, and I can't wait to like decorate this somewhere. Might be in my beauty room or in my room, I don't know, but it just looks really nice. And then I have this huge box again. Now I got these bunch of lipstick organizers. Now the previous one I showed you is kind of like a showpiece kind of a thing, like you can display it on your vanity. This one, this is how it looks like. This is the box that it comes in. This is actually a little costly compared to the other ones that's available on Amazon, because you can put in 36 lipsticks, and this quality is amazing. It's just out of this world. And yes, it is a little more expensive compared to the other acrylics in the market. And I got actually 4 of these to display in my vanity. I think this is one of the things that just made me happy instantly as I saw it, because of how good it is. Okay guys, and also please don't mind at how disgusting it is. I have to clean it. It's really dusty because when you keep your organizers outside, this is how it gets. Okay, it gets very very dirty, but yeah, so this is the organizer that you get. This is for about 200-300 rupees. So this is the quality of the organizer. This feels like more like a plastic and less like acrylic. Can you see? This is like so high quality. It is glistening, it has a shine, it is thick, and it has a good weight, whereas this one is thin. It kind of looks like plastic, and yeah, that is the difference, you guys. The quality matters. So you get 24 slots in here. So I have placed like 4 of them, a pack of 2. So that is like 8 acrylics of these. As I said, I just want to display, and it looks so cool in my vanity. When I just open it, it's going to be like a lipstick heaven. So yeah, that's what I'm planning to do. I've yet to get them, but I just wanted to show like this is what I got. And this was for rupees 300 if you get single, but if you get 2 of them in a combo pack, you'll get for 400 rupees for 2 of them. So I think which is so worth it. So the next one that I got, again I got it in this package, and that is this acrylic organizer. You can place anything, you guys. You can place your compacts, lipsticks, eyeshadow palette or anything that you want. But I personally got this to store my jewelry in here. So this is the perfect size to store your necklaces. Like I have a lot of Indian necklace and everything, so I'm definitely planning to like store that in here. And oh my god, the quality is amazing again. I just love the quality of this. I will definitely buy, I think, one or two more of these. So guys, the next one that I got is this beautiful acrylic tray. I've already arranged my jewelry in here. I don't know if my camera makes it justice, but I'm just gonna put the b-roll of it. But yeah, you get 3 acrylic drawers in this, but this one is, the length of this is a little bit smaller compared to the previous one that I showed you. So this acrylic box or this 3-tier acrylic drawer is actually suitable for your small dainty necklaces, your earrings, something like this, your long earrings, your short earrings, your hoops, and all of that. I think I have also kept my hair clips and everything, and it just looks so damn pretty and beautiful. So yeah, I have just tagged them. I can see every single item that I have on display, and it just also makes everything look so pretty. I'm thinking of buying like one more of this because I have a lot of, as I said, like jewelry, that western jewelry. The quality also is very good. So the next one that I have is this, a little bigger huge box. When I saw this, I expected this to be quite bigger. I thought this would be a little bigger, like up till here, but it's a little smaller compared to that. On Amazon, you guys, I have noticed this, like whenever you see something and you think, oh, this is going to be this size, always imagine that to be a little smaller than what you expected, because that is what you get most of the time. So yeah, and this one is not a plastic, it's a metal. You can use this for, I think, multiple things. You can use this in your kitchen to store your spices or anything like that, or you can store this in your bathroom to keep any of your shampoos, conditioners, like body wash, anything like that. Or you can also keep this on your vanity table or in your bedroom and place all of your skincare, makeup, all of those things as well. So it is so good. You can also place your perfumes also, you guys. And yeah, it is so good, and this is a metal and it is really heavy. The quality is amazing. It's so good. I didn't expect this quality for the price. I think this was priced at ₹700. I thought it's gonna be like a plasticky thing, but the quality is really nice. And you get 2 colors in this. One is in white and black, but of course, because everything in my vanity is either white or pink, in that sort, so that's the reason I got white. I don't know where I will put this yet. I'm thinking of using this in my bedroom, but I don't know. I have to see that, but yeah, I really like this, guys. Amazing. We have the last second one, which I got. That is wooden tray come your what do you say, like a desk, like a table to work on. Again, I'm just gonna show the b-roll. Oh my god, again the quality is really good, and you can use this like your study table or a laptop table. Usually, I edit on my bed, and so many times I'm like bending all the time, and my I get a lot of shoulder pain, my neck pain and all of that. So I was eyeing for a study table, but everything looks so plasticky and so cheap. I didn't want something like that. I just wanted something which looks good and also does the job really well. So that's the reason I got this wooden tray. I can use this like in so many ways. I can put my breakfast in here. I can click really nice, like cool aesthetic pictures for my Instagram, like place any product pictures or anything I can use for that also. Or else I can also use this like a like a study table. I have a planner, so I keep a planner. I write every single day, so I can use at that point of time. Yeah, I can use this like in so many ways, and that's the reason I got it. I'm so happy once again. And yeah, you can just, it's a foldable one, so you can easily fold and keep it somewhere. So yeah, I really like it, and it's really nice. And guys, coming to the last product I purchased from Amazon is this IKEA Mulik. It's called as IKEA Mulik clothes rack, and this is a white clothing rack. It just, when I saw it, like when my sister saw this, she was like, oh my god, it just looks like a hospital, like a some hospital stand or something. It is so plain and white, but I had seen so many other things on Amazon, like wooden wala, everything, and they just look very very bulky and did not go with this with the theme that I was going for. So I wanted something which was really sleek and somewhere I can just hang all of my pretty clothes according to the season. I can change the clothes and stuff, and that's the reason I got this one. Just so sleek and simple and nice, and yeah, I just love it. It comes in different pieces, you have to assemble it. It just took like 2 minutes for me to assemble it. For 1465, the quality is really nice. It's very very sturdy, so yeah, I really like it. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. If you're still here, I love you so much. So yeah, and guys, I can't wait to share all of my organizing and how I organize everything, my beauty station, whatever you want to call it as, my vanity, everything with you. So definitely give this video a huge thumbs up and let me know what all you want to watch next. Bye guys.